Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the camera tricks on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Okay, let's launch our camera app right in here. And now let me describe you the most interesting things that we have on this device. So maybe let's begin with the custom filters that we can select right in here when we are in the simple photo mode. Now, as you can see in here, we have the basic filters that are provided normally. You can also download more from the internet if you click right in here, and also you can change each filter manually even. You can also adjust the strength, color, temperature, contrast, saturation, and the film grain. But the best thing is that you can create your own filter using the photo of your gallery. Click on that plus icon and now select the picture that you want to use as a filter. So let's say let it be this photo. Now we need to wait a few seconds. Now click on create, click on done, and now due to the colors of our photo that we have selected, we have created a filter that we can even also adjust manually in here. Okay, that's one of the cool things. And next cool thing is that mode, but before we do it, we need to open up the settings to change a few things. Let's go back. In here, scroll down until you find the advanced features. Let's go into the flex mode panel and make sure it's enabled. You can see like a preview what can we do using this mode. Also, you can click on the touchpad gesture help if you don't know how to use it. Of course, this mode doesn't work only in the camera app. It also works with a few other things. So if you want, you can also play with it, not only in the camera app. But let's open up the camera for now. Now let's flex let's fold our phone for a little bit. I'll also hold it with my hand so it won't hit the table. Now let's click on that icon. It appears when we fold our phone. Okay, and now we have our touchpad and the scroll. So now, for example, when I'll double tap the scroll, it should change the camera. Oh, here I am, hello. When you hold on the touchpad, you can now see that the mouse appeared on the screen above, and I can even take photos in this mode. So now, select the photo, click on the touchpad, and you can see that I'm taking the photos. If I open up the gallery, as you can see, it also works. So in my opinion, it's really cool. It's not the thing that you are using day to day, but it's really fun to play with it for like several hours. So you might didn't know about this feature that you can use your camera in this mode. Well, now you know. It's really fun to use. Alright, but now let's close it up. Let me unfold the phone. Let's go into normal full screen. And when you click right in here, and now we have the cover screen preview. So now when I flip the phone, you can see that in here we also have the camera. So that's how this mode works. Alright, now from here let's go straight into the more. And let's go, for example, with the Pro mode. Thanks to this mode, we can adjust almost every value that we want. So we can change the ISO, we can change the shutter speed, you can also change the exposure right in here. We can change the focus. Oh, my bad. Wait. Okay. And we can also change the white balance. So when it comes to the Pro mode, in this mode we can change a lot of things. As this mode is like for people who really like to adjust every value possible. So this mode is pretty cool. The Pro video provides you with the same things, but you record videos, not take photos. When it comes to the night mode, you can take better photos at night. When it comes to the panorama, you can take a wide photo. In here you have like instruction. You need to pick the direction. So for example, we want to go to the right side. Let me show you how it works. So tap the shutter button. Now follow the arrow. Simply go to the right side. Okay, now click the shutter button if you want to stop. And now let me show you how it looks like. So now, as you can see, I took really wide photo just because I performed this move. So I was like scanning the area and then the scan appeared like that. From my personal thoughts and experience with panorama modes, this mode works and looks like really nice when you're taking when you're taking photos in the mountains using the panorama mode. That's when it looks really cool, in my opinion. So panorama is also a pretty cool thing. Now let's go into the a little bit hidden thing, which is called the burst mode. But if you want to use the burst mode, select the simple photo mode and make sure that you have a 12 megapixels mode set, because it won't work on the 50. So to use this mode, we need to hold the shutter button and slide with our finger to the downside. And you can now see that we are taking photos like a machine gun, and we took 100 photos. That's the maximum. We cannot go higher. That's the maximum. If you want to delete all of them, simply click right in here on those on one number of 100 and select all right in here and click on delete button. Okay, and now it will be deleted. Okay, so that's how the burst mode works. Really cool in my opinion. Now let's go into the more, and let's go into the Bixby Vision. It's that eye icon. Click right in here, click on the settings, click on the permissions, click on the camera, and click on allow only while using the app. Okay, now let's try this method. Let's try this mode. Okay, and in here we have a few modes. We have the color detection, we have the text reader, object identifier, scene describer, and discover. Let's begin from the right side. So let's go with the color detection. Now when I'll point the camera on some color, the phone will detect it. So currently it's white. Also, if you enable the volume, you will also see a voice saying you the color. Now let's point on something else. So now you can see that it simply detects the color. Simple. Next thing is the text reader. I don't know, do I have any text, but maybe I'll find it. Okay, I have the card, so let's try to take a photo of it. Maybe it will read the text. Okay, now let's click on continue. Okay, it read the text. Pretty simple. Now the object. It successfully also identifies objects. It successfully identified it as a SD card. Basically, it's telling the truth. And now let's try maybe with something else. I have this this plant. Let's try to take a photo of it. Lotus flower. I think it was pretty okay. And when it comes to the answer, now let's go with the scene describer. Maybe let's grab again this SD card. Let's see what it will say.
Analyzing scene. A hand holding a black memory card.
Basically, that's the truth. That's the truth. So that's how the scene describer works. Pretty fun to play with it from time to time. Why not? And the last thing is discover. Now it will work, it will search for similar things, how to say it in cool way and in a good way. Now, when you take a photo of something, it will try to find similar objects in the internet on base of the thing that it sees on the screen. So now, as you can see, the selected object is my SD card, and now the phone and the AI found us similar objects. Actually, they are from the Pinterest. You can see it right in here. Alright, and that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.